Have you ever felt like your potential is being wasted by your own hesitation? You wake up with ideas, big ones, but somehow the days just pass, and you're still stuck in the same place. And deep down, you know you're meant for more, but you don't know where to start. That was me. From the outside, I looked productive, but inside, I was overwhelmed. Too many goals, too many pressures, and no clarity on what actually mattered. I was doing what most people do, waiting for motivation, waiting for the right season. But waiting is just fear, disguised as logic. In April 2022, I hit my breaking point. I opened my laptop, about to scroll through emails, but something stopped me. Instead, I picked up my journal, and I wrote one sentence. What if I stopped chasing, and started choosing? That was the shift. That was the moment I created the one rule. Every day, I choose one thing that moves me forward. Not 5, not 10, just one. One focused task, one honest conversation, one step, even if it's small. And I do it, no matter what. Even when I'm tired, even when it's inconvenient. Because transformation doesn't come from motivation. It comes from obedience, to what matters most. At first, it felt too simple. But day after day, something shifted. Not just in my schedule. In my identity. I wasn't reacting anymore, I was building. I wrote 20 pages that month. I had one difficult conversation I'd been avoiding for years. And I stopped breaking promises to myself. You can do this too. You just haven't made it simple enough yet. And no, I didn't blow up overnight. But I stopped feeling lost. I stopped trying to prove. And I started living from alignment. You don't need a new planner. You don't need 10 new habits. You need one rule, and the courage to live it consistently. So if you're stuck right now, don't try to change your whole life. Just change one thing. And do it again tomorrow. That's where the breakthrough lives, not in leaps, but in the step you choose today. One day, one choice, one rule. That's how I changed my life. And that's how you'll change yours. 1 year from now, the version of you who starts today will be grateful. Every day is a bonus. Charles Odia.